come in.
Why don't you just make yourself at home?
Really sure you wouldn't mind, Charles?
What the hell? These things happen.
Yeah. You know how to work this is stuck.
You see?
Yeah, good. Have you seen this?
Only about 20 times. Useless.
Why'd you
That's the end
stop?
of the plants.
Exactly, Leland. That's my bank. I know that lobby. That ficus tree has been sitting in the corner for 10 years. It's never been moved until today, this morning, before the gunman came in. Somebody moved it in front of the surveillance camera.
Before the robbery?
Also, the Russian went out the back door and the alarm didn't sound, so somebody disconnected it.
Yeah, that one we caught.
And